Now, without delay, I just want to proceed with the next concept. Yesterday, we had done the concept of green revolution, their merits as well as their demerits. Demerits हमने कर लिए थे कल. Green revolution के demerits क्या हैं? So first of all, merits और demerits करने का method क्या है? Merits and demerits. Merits क्या है? Using modern farming method. I am telling, please beta mute yourself, Aman or Ram. So now listen, like green revolution, I had explained you yesterday in a proper way, but now today I am going to tell you what are the green revolution's merits and demerits. देखिए green कोई भी चीज हम काम करते हैं, like अगर मैं आज की एग्जांपल लूं, now we are studying from distance, हम लोग ऑनलाइन पढ़ रहे हैं, इसके merits क्या है? हमें ट्रैवलिंग कॉस्ट नहीं पड़ रही, हमारा टाइम सेव हो रहा है, हम घर पे ही बैठकर अपनी पढ़ाई कर रहे हैं. लेकिन इसके डीमेरिट क्या है? हम लोग आपस में इंटरेक्ट नहीं कर पा रहे, हमारी सोसाइटी जो है वो बहुत लिमिटेड हो रही है, ठीक है. और दूसरी चीज क्या है? हम लोग एक्चुअली द पॉइंट ऑफ ग्रास्पिंग द कंटेंट बाय योर साइड इज नॉट देयर. हम लोग अपनी तरफ से देने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं, आप लोगों को कंटेंट पूरा दे रहे हैं, बट व्हाट यू पीपल आर डूइंग एट होम वी डोंट नो. These are the demerits. So हर चीज के दो साइड होते हैं. Every coin is of two sides. One is single side, another is another side. So one coin is always having two faces. One side if it is showing the sun, other side it will be showing the dark as moon. तो हर चीज के दो पहलू होते हैं. One is positive trait, another is negative trait. इसी तरह ग्रीन रेवोल्यूशन के पॉजिटिव ट्रेड क्या है, मेरिट्स क्या है? मोर प्रोडक्शन, मॉडर्न यूजिंग मेथड, मॉडर्न फार्मिंग मेथड, ठीक है. नंबर 3, मोर मार्केट, मोर एक्सपोर्ट, हम लोग कह सकते हैं मोर फूड सिक्योरिटी, है या नहीं है? है या नहीं
Yes,
है?
ma'am.
जैसे मैंने कल आपको एग्जांपल देके बताया कि चाइना में 1958 से लेकर 1961 तक फेमाइन आया जिसमें लॉस ऑफ ह्यूमन बीइंग वाज देयर, but in India it was not there because Indian government was a democratic government who are answerable to common people. They had made the consensus, made the things properly so that the common people should not get that kind of thing. आज की डेट में भी गवर्नमेंट हैज ट्राइड देयर लेवल बेस्ट टू प्रोटेक्ट द ह्यूमन पोटेंशियल फ्रॉम द कोविड-19. फाइन. सो नाउ नेक्स्ट इज डीमेरिट्स. अगर मोर प्रोडक्शन हो रहा है तो एक्सप्लॉयटेशन ऑफ नेचुरल रिसोर्सेस हो रहा है, एक्सप्लॉयटेशन ऑफ नेचुरल रिसोर्सेस हो रहा है. Number 2.
Yes, ma'am.
Depletion
Yes.
of groundwater हो रहा है. Depletion of groundwater हो रहा है.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
It can be modern farming method can be adopted by rich people, adopted by rich section of society. So the difference between rich and poor are becoming more. The gap between the society, rich
Yes,
society and poor society is becoming more. Point है, ठीक है. उसके बाद नेचुरल रिसोर्सेज डिप्लीट हो रहे हैं. कॉस्ट जो है दैट इज आल्सो इंक्रीजिंग, कॉस्ट ऑफ प्रोडक्शन आल्सो इंक्रीजिंग, आल्सो इंक्रीजेस. मैं इंक्रीजेस ऐसे डाल रही हूँ. उसके बाद अगला पॉइंट क्या है? एक्सेस ऑफ फूड ग्रेन. अब इतनी प्रोडक्शन हो रही है व्हीट एंड राइस की, इतनी प्रोडक्शन हो रही है विच इज गोइंग टू बी वेस्टेड। आपने अगर कहीं पर ट्रेन में या बसेस में ट्रैवल किया हो तो खेतों में आपको बहुत बड़े बड़े डंप जो है वो व्हीट के बने हुए मिलते हैं, ऊपर तरपाल डाली होती है और हम लोग देखते हैं
Yes, ma'am.
कि उसके आसपास व्हीट जो है वो खराब हो रही होती है। सो एक्सेस ऑफ एवरीथिंग इज बैड, ठीक है, ये डीमेरिट है। अनदर पॉइंट जो मैं तुम लोगों को समझाना चाहती हूँ डीमेरिट ऑफ दिस ग्रीन रेवोल्यूशन में, I explained you that in the Green Revolution, 3 states were benefited. Number 1 is Punjab, second is Haryana, and third is Western UP. But what about other 28 states? So it also create regional imbalance. Write down, it also create regional मतलब क्षेत्रीय, it also create regional imbalance. Point is clear? It also create regional imbalance. 5 points हो जाएंगे हमारे demerits के लिए, हो जाएंगे? Say yes or
Yes,
no?
ma'am.
हाँ जी बोलो बेटा।
Ma'am, can we say that in the demerits के excessive use of fertilizers?
हाँ हाँ, excessive use of fertilizers, excessive use of pesticides going to deplete the nutrient value of soil. Number 2, excessive use of these fertilizers and pesticides increase the cost of production. Number 3, excessive irrigation also lead to depletion of underground water. Number 4, all the modern method which is being used are very expensive, so rich people can afford, poor people cannot afford. Number 5, rich people can afford, it also create class discrimination. It also create class discrimination as rich section farmers are becoming more richer and poor section of farmers are becoming more poorer. Fine. Will you be able to write all the 5 points by your own?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, fine. Now next we will be proceeding. Will the land sustain? Next हमारा concept क्या था? ये हमने कल discuss किया था. Will the land sustain? Will the land sustain? Can you tell or will you be able to give answer for the same? Third point जो हमारा था, will the land sustain? सस्टेन क्या मतलब लंबे टाइम तक लैंड जो है वो हमारे लिए उपयोगी रहेगी? नहीं।
No, ma'am, it will
Excessive
lose its
use,
fertility.
हाँ, excessive use of fertilizers, pesticides, more irrigation and modern farming method will not be giving the rest to the natural resource, as natural resources are fixed in nature. We cannot increase, but excessive implementation of all these chemicals will going to lead the loss of nutrient value in the land fertility. So it will ultimately going to increase the cost of production. It will ultimately go to give its fertilizers or pesticides impact on the production. और आज की डेट में हम लोग कहते हैं कि सब्जियां और फल जो है सारे केमिकल्स के बने होते हैं। आपने कभी देखा है आज की डेट में जो बनानास हम लोग खा रहे हैं वो बाहर से हमें कच्चे लगते हैं, बट अंदर से वो बिल्कुल ऐसे हुए होते हैं जैसे बहुत लूज होते हैं। आपने कभी ये फील किया? मैंगो नाउअडेज वी आर गेटिंग, बट मैंगो का फ्लेवर जो है वो हमें अभी भी नहीं मिल रहा। जो मैंगो पूरे राइपन रेड पूरे स्वीट होते हैं उनका फ्लेवर हमें आज भी नहीं मिल रहा। These are only the production with the chemicals. That is why the actual taste of that product we will not be able to enjoy. और आज की डेट में अगर हम बात करें तो हमें स्पिनच भी मिल रही है, हमें कॉलीफ्लावर भी मिल रहा है, हमें कैरेट भी मिल रहा है, Is this is the
Yes,
season
ma'am.
to grow that vegetables? No, it
No.
is
No,
still
ma'am.
available with us. That is only with the chemical pesticides, and they are not organic, which is good for the human. You can say nutrient with all the nutrient value which is being required for the by the human beings. So land will not be able to sustain. इसमें demerits of green revolution will you be able to do? ये सारा हमने इस concept में से किया. Next concept जो है that is how the land is distributed by the farmers of Palampur. अब यहाँ पर हमें example के form में दिया हुआ है like in Palampur different people have different amount of land with them. I'll explain you how. Suppose that diagram is also being given in your book. That is on page number 6. Just have a look. वहां पर आपको कुछ bifurcation दिखाई गई है land की. You can see here this much of land is being given. This much of bifurcation of land is being given. So this is the total land of a fictitious town Palampur. ठीक है, this is the total land of fictitious town Palampur in which bifurcation का मतलब होता है बांटा हुआ होना. Farmers are having different piece of land. Some of the farmers are having very big area, but some of the farmers are having very small area with them. ठीक है, अब मैं एक छोटी सी एग्जांपल देके समझाऊंगी यहाँ पर. Listen, a person who is having big land can use modern farming in his area? Can use?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes,
A
ma'am.
person who is having very small area, can he have sufficient amount of money to buy modern farming?
No, ma'am.
No. So
No.
he will be go with the multiple cropping. Multiple cropping वो जा सकता है, but he cannot go with the modern farming. And here, the big farmer he can go with the modern farming method. ठीक है? डाटा जो दिया हुआ है एज पर द डाटा अगर मैं यहाँ समझाने के लिए चाहूँ तो वो मैं आपको बाद में रीड करके समझा दूंगी कि इसमें डाटा क्या है. पहले कंसेप्ट समझ लो. सारा का सारा कंसेप्ट इसी डायग्राम में मैंने समझा देना आपको. यहाँ पर जो है इसका नाम हमारे करेक्टर में हमारी बुक में दिया हुआ है सविता. क्या नाम दिया हुआ है? सविता. एंड यहाँ जो करेक्टर है उसका नाम है तेजपाल. Means Tejpal was the rich person in the village and Savita was the poor farmer in a village. When the Rabi crops going to start, she want to buy the seeds, but she don't have seeds, don't have money with her. So she go to Tejpal to have some amount of money to purchase the seeds. So she had taken a loan of 3,000 rupees from him. Suppose she has taken the loan of 3,000 rupees from him and she bound to pay 24% of interest of that 3,000 to him, and also if she will not be able to repay the interest, she has to work in his farm area without any interest. Are you getting my point?
Ma'am, yes.
Yes,
Okay,
ma'am.
so second thing, she was using old methods over here. Old method means the sickles, bullocks and all the other traditional methods for growing the crop production. She was not able to purchase fertilizers and pesticides. Only she had taken the seeds from that 3,000 rupees. Here Tejpal, he was having money with him. He has given a money in advance to her and he was also getting the labor as Savita on his farm area at a very nominal price. And some of the amount he used for self consumption. जितनी खेती हुई कितना उसने self consumption के लिए रख लिया और बाकी सारा उसने क्या किया? He sell in the market. Sale in the market. उसने ये market में sale कर. Got it? After selling it in the market, he earned the profit and he kept that money in the bank for further purchasing the seeds, for further investing on the tractors, combiner and harvester. and even he will be going to take the land whose land is adjacent to him, because he has given advance loans to them and they were not able to repay the loan, and he has taken the land also from that area. Again, he was becoming more prosperous. Point is clear?
Ma'am, yes.
Okay. Now, is it clear to everyone? Tanish, Gauri, Ishita,
Yes, ma'am.
sure. So, how is land distributed among the farmers in Palampur? As in the Palampur, there were 450 families. All the families were not having equal amount of share of land with them. Some are having large farmers, some are having middle farmers, and some are having very large farms area, and some are landless. Landless, those persons who do not have land, only working in the large farm areas and earning the daily wages. Is the point is clear? So now point number 4, that is, you must have realized that it is important for farming. Unfortunately, not all the people engaged in the agriculture have sufficient land for the cultivation. In Palampur, amount 1/3 of 450 families are landless. 1/3 यानी कि 1/3 जो है वो जो है उनके पास लैंड नहीं है. 150 family, most of them are Dalits who do not have land for cultivation. यानी कि दलित लोगों के पास लैंड नहीं है. They were working only on the big farmers' land. So all the remaining families who were having land, 240 families cultivate on small farms area like Savita. उनके पास बहुत छोटा-छोटा land है, and lands less than 2 hectares in size. Cultivation of such plot doesn't bring adequate income to the family to family support. उनका जो भी earning होती है, that is only for the self consumption. Again, next year, when there is a need to buy the seeds, they have to depend again on the rich farmers. They cannot, or they do not have sufficient savings with them to purchase next year their, we can say, seeds. Is it okay? यहाँ तक clear है? यहाँ तक clear है? Now, इसकी example पढ़नी है, तो please साथ साथ चलते हैं. Who will be going to read the example for this? So I had already explained you like how the land is being distributed in the village Palampur. It was not in a equal mode. Some of the farmers having large area with them. Some of the farmers are having very small areas, and some are landless. Landless farmers were working on the farm area of bigger landlords. Now next to provide aata hai, who will provide the labor? Definitely all the 150 family
Ma'am,
of the Dalits.
yes.
Number 2, all the landless farmers. यहाँ पर मैंने example बताया था. Savita, she took loan from Tejpal and she has to return 24% of interest on the amount, and second is the basic amount also. So if she will not be able to repay that, she has to work after managing all the things over here on his farm area. So question is, who will provide the labor? Is it clear to everyone? Who will provide the labor? The person who are landless, that is 160 family of Dalit family in Palampur, and the person who have very less amount of area with them, they were bound to work. But another question is whether the amount of payment, daily wages, are being given by the person like Tejpal in a proper way as per the government rules and guidelines. No. Tejpal and other kind of rich farmers who were having more than 10 hectares of land with them, they do not give adequate amount of wages as per the government order to the common people or the Dalits of 150 family or like Savita, because there is a availability of labor within the village. If one person will not ready to work at that wage, another person will be ready to work at that wage. Like Savita, she had taken the loan in advance, so she was bound to work at lower wages within his farm. Is it okay? कोई doubt यहाँ तक किसी को भी? भूमिका, Gurasis, हाँ जी बेटा,
मैम नो, कोई डाउट नहीं है.
सब क्लियर है? नाउ नेक्स्ट कंसेप्ट इज
यस मैम.
द कैपिटल नीडेड इन फार्मिंग. पॉइंट नंबर 6 देखिए. The capital needed in farming. Yes. For the farming, as I had given you examples, Savita and Tejpal both need farming, or even the middle class farmers are also required money or capital for farming. So the medium and large farmer, they take the money from their savings, which after the selling of the product in the previous year, they kept it in the bank as a saving. They take it out and buy the new seeds, fertilizers and pesticide for the another production. But the small farmers like Savita, they do not have any saving with them. So what they do? They just have to take the loans at high rate of interest, like 24% rate of interest from Tejpal. So the capital needed in farming is also a matter to be considered. Rich and medium farmers are taking or using the capital from their own previous year savings, and but the small farmers, they took the loan or money on the high rate of interest from the landowners and bound to work in their farm area at very low rates. Is it okay to everyone? कोई डाउट यहाँ पर? ये जो एग्जाम्पल है which I had shared with you, Savita and Tejpal, it is being given on page number 9. Pink paragraph देखिए. Savita is a small farmer. She plans to cultivate wheat on her 1 hectare land. Isn't given? Nayan,
यस
Harleen,
मैम.
देख लिया?
Yes,
इस
ma'am.
पैराग्राफ को मैंने प्रॉपरली
Yes, ma'am.
आपको समझा दिया. इस पैराग्राफ को भी मैंने आपको. नेक्स्ट आता है सेल ऑफ सरप्लस फार्म प्रोडक्शन. 7th पॉइंट. Now sale of surplus farm production. ये मैंने बताया आपको. Tejpal with the excessive production, where he sell it in the excess production in the market or earn the profit. So Tejpal or other small, other large or medium farmers, they sell their surplus production in the market. Like वहां पर साथ साथ जो पालमपुर है उसके साथ ही गांव लगते हैं रायगंज, वहां पर जाकर ये सेल करके आते. ठीक है. और वहां से जितनी भी अर्निंग होती थी, they kept it in the bank and next year they use that capital for purchasing the raw material for using or making their production more effectively. Is it okay to everyone? कोई
Ma'am,
डाउट
yes.
बेटा?
Yes, ma'am.
नेक्स्ट पॉइंट जो है दैट इज नॉन
Yes,
फार्म
ma'am.
एक्टिविटीज इन पालमपुर. अब देखो, सिर्फ और सिर्फ एग्रीकल्चरल एक्टिविटीज हैं वो ही गांव में नहीं होती हैं, नॉन एग्रीकल्चरल एक्टिविटीज भी होती हैं. हम लोगों में से गांव में बहुत सारे जने गए हैं. गांव में सिर्फ एग्रीकल्चर नहीं होता, वहां पर डेयरी फार्मिंग होती है, वहां पर छोटे छोटे प्रोसेसिंग यूनिट्स जो है लाइक कारपेट वीविंग, कपड़ा बुनना, दरिया के चदरें, है ना, ये सारी चीजें होती हैं ना. सो वो सारा काम होना. उसके बाद गांव से कुछ सामान बन के वो सिटी में सेल होने आता है, तो सिटी में ट्रांसपोर्टेशन भी होती है. जैसे डेयरी प्रोडक्ट जो बनेंगे गांव में वो शहर में आते हैं, वो सप्लाई किससे होते हैं? थ्रू द ट्रांसपोर्ट व्हीकल्स. सो जो ड्राइवर्स जो हैं जो ट्रांसपोर्ट व्हीकल्स करते हैं, दे आर ऑल्सो हैविंग अर्निंग. जैसे गुड़, शुगर केन का गुड़ बना के उसको मार्केट में बेचना, वो गुड़ भी गांव में बनता है, देखा हुआ है ना. दोज हु आर गोइंग टू होशियारपुर साइड, हम लोग बहुत सारे देखते हैं वहां पर गुड़, शुगर केन का जूस क्रश करके निकाला जा रहा होता है मशीन में से, एंड आफ्टर दैट बॉइलिंग जैगरी जो है वो बनाई जा रही होती है. Isn't it? So these are the work other than the farm production. So next आया था shopkeepers. ये सारे मैं कल आपको properly डिटेल में समझाऊंगा. Is it okay to everyone? I hope up to this concept is clear.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay बच्चे,
Yes. Yes, ma'am.
किसी को कोई डाउट है तो प्लीज आस्क.